A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. If you know somebody, really know somebody, or your friend, who could have talked to breeze and talk to sea and them do what him tell them for do, you not afraid of nothing? Where you would afraid of? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button and drop a comment below and share this with all of your friends. And of course, if you not subscribe yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 4 from verse 35 to verse 41. That same day, when it catch evening, Jesus said to him follower them, make we go over the other side of the lake. So they left the crowd, go in a boat with him, and go upon the other side of the lake. Some other boat where they did go with him too. All of a sudden, some trang breeze start blow, and it blow up the water in a boat till it nearly full. All them time there, Jesus did fast asleep upon one pillar in a back of a boat. So them wake him up and said to him, say, Teacher, you know, sister, we out for dead. You no care. So Jesus get up and talk strong to the breeze and tell the sea to settle down. Then Jesus asked them, say, why am I afraid so? You still no believe in a God? Them afraid so till they turn fool. So they said to them one another, say, who the man ya? Even the breeze and the sea them, do him tell them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.